Hey everybody, this is Richard. So I'm doing a really short video, and what I'm doing is just covering a few trades that we had with the options algorithm today. So as you're aware, the Noble trading system trades the first two trades that occur, and Paladin trades those same two trades plus another up to another 6. Today we had a total of 6 option trades, and I'm just going to show them to you really quick and show you the results of kind of what happened. So here's the first trade. Option number 1, we sold a 20-point put vertical. We sold the 38.80, bought the 38.60 put. We collected 6.5 ES points. That's about $325. And with this trade, we want the S&P to close above 38.80. Now the second trade occurred about 20 minutes later, and it was another 20-point put vertical that we sold. This time though, because the market had popped a bit, we sold the 38.90 and bought the 38.70. On this one, we collected 7.75 ES points, which is about $387. And so for this trade, we want the S&P to close above 38.90. Now these two trades stack on top of each other, and so as long as we close above 38.90, then both of them are profitable and we keep all the premium that we collected. Okay, now I'm just going to speed it up and I'm going to show you the other trades as they occurred. So the third option trade, and this was only on Paladin, was another 20-point put vertical, and on that one we collected 5.75 S&P points, which is $287, and we want the S&P to close above 39.10. The next two, option 4 and 5, were actually the same. They were both 25-point put spreads, and we want the S&P to close above 39.15. We collected 7.25 ES points, or $362. And then the last trade, the sixth option one, was a 20-point vertical. And this one we collected 6.5 points, which is $325, and we want S&P to close above 39.15 on that one as well. Now here's where the day ended. So the S&P ended up closing at about 39.05. So a couple of the, I guess 3 of the options were actually profitable. Noble, which traded the first two, was up $683 per 40K traded. So it was actually a great day for Noble. Paladin was also up, but it was only up by $264 per 60K traded, and that's from the options trades. We also had day trades today, so I'm not including those. But on Paladin, it had the same first 2 option trades. The third one was also profitable, but not by as much. It was profitable by only $36 after you include commission. And then the other 3 were losses at about $139 for option 4 and option 5, and then $176 for option 6. So even though both algorithms were profitable, I mean certainly Noble was up more, but that's just because it lucked out a bit in that it only took the first 2 trades, and those happened to be full profits. So that covers the options algorithm though. As you've seen in the other videos I've done, it's really just looking for pattern recognition. It's looking for basically the past to measure how the current day measures up against the previous back-tested days. And so what it's doing is it's saying, well, today we had a gap up and there was strength, a little bit of weakness, then some strength, and then traded kind of sideways a bit. And it's just sort of looking for other patterns going all the way back to 2005 where similar events kind of happen. And when it finds one, it just measures and calculates what are the odds that it closed above the key points. And if it's above 57% or more, then we take the trade. And when we do a put spread, it actually adds about 10% to the profitability. So the win rate tends to be about 70% on these trades. But again, Noble had 2, Paladin had 6, 3 were profitable on Paladin, and then 3 were at a loss. But the 3 losses weren't max losses, they were just sort of normal losses. And so we were still profitable on Paladin, which is great. Again, we had day trades today as well, but that really sums up. This was just a quick video. Now I do want to mention the risk disclosure though. Keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future performance, and trading futures options involves substantial risk of loss. It's not appropriate for all investors. And remember that I'm not a CTA. We offer the algorithms under a letter of direction. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.